Found the hair tie, which is probably Devon's. Ready? It's beautiful. This has been quite the hike. But it feels so good to be in the cold water. Delicious. Delicious turquoise river water. And we bought some jewelry. Here's a small one.